Well, hello. I'm going to get started on another mail call. This might take a couple of months before I get enough stuff to actually make a video, but for right now I've got a package from Amazon. I think I know what it is. Yes, it is a Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. There's so many projects to use this with. I've got a project in mind, and do not have a Pi 4. I've got several 3s that I've done various things with. So, if you stay tuned to the channel, you'll probably end up seeing what I'm going to do with this at some point. Okay, continuing on. Oops, good thing I didn't slice them. This is a set of test leads that I wanted. Okay, well, I needed a new set of leads, specifically for some things coming up. I want to be able to power things more easily. I've got really old, really brittle cables for doing that with. So I got this set from Amazon. Got your standard banana. You can also come off the back of them to feed something else. This one has the standard alligator clips. And this one I really wanted because it's got the little spring-loaded clips, so I can hook it anywhere precisely. And then this set is, I don't know what I'd use them for, but that helps you extend. I'm not sure what I would be using this set for, banana plug to banana plug, but it came with the set, and these two and this one specifically with the spring clips is what I really needed. Now I have it. Continuing on, been doing a lot of organizing. Keeping organized with this many parts all over the place is a necessity. So I got me an old world embosser. I had one of these when I was a kid. I went around labeling everything. So I got this set off of Amazon. I will leave a link to it in the description. Along with that, I'm pretty sure, this should be some different colored tapes. This comes with one black roll, I believe. So I'll look at that. I'll open it in a second. Yep, there's 5 different colored tapes. So I'm going to get the labeling. I'll open this up here in a second and show anybody who doesn't know about these old school labelers. Okay, well, here this Starship Enterprise looking thing is. It comes with the roll already in there, and they even typed the name brand on there to show that it was working when it shipped. Open up the back, stick the roll in, feed the tape up there. Put whatever you want on it. There's a bunch of 3s. Then you simply spin it around. And there's a thing here with a scissors. Squeeze it, cuts it, you got a label. Pretty nice, brings back old memories. Now I'll get to doing me some organizing. One slow boat from China later. All right, continuing on with the mail call. This is a start to the batch of things I've been that I've ordered for the Commodore repairs. Holy cats, what all did I get here? Okay, so I went ahead and took everything out of its package. It'll be a little quicker. Got a bunch of 40-pin sockets. Those are for the CIAs and the processor and the VIC, I believe. I have some 4464. These are the RAM chips for the C64C. I got 10 of them. I don't even know if I need any, but now I've got them. They were fairly cheap. This is a 2114. This is color RAM. Again, I don't know that I need any of them yet, but I have them. And 74 LS257 multiplexers. I just went ahead and ordered 10 of those as well. That is a fairly common thing to go bad, especially if they are Moss branded. These are not. These are Motorola, it looks like. So we should be good there. The only thing that did not come in yet is my 8701 clock chips that I ordered. They'll be on their way. They're on a slow boat from China. Okay, one last thing for this mail call video, and I'll get it out. It's pouring rain here. I don't know if it's going to come out on the speakers or not. Oh, it's a HDMI to micro HDMI that I needed for another project. Okay, that should do it for this mail call. Alright, comment below if you like or dislike mail call videos. And subscribe if you want to keep watching some of the stuff we're doing. Have a great day.